It's currently 7:11. It's a hotel. We have a pantry over here. Grabbed our breakfast here at 7-Eleven, as usual. Let's look around for some candies. Ha? Kaya every 15 minutes nag-ayos ng bag.
Ano kayo dito ng breakfast?
Nagugutom ka na?
Oo.
O sige, ilabas mo na. Oo, dito na lang. Basta nakaupo. Labas mo na ang dapat ilabas. We have our coffee from 7-Eleven. Pero tulis talaga yan. And we just bought pancakes. Light breakfast lang.
What's in that station?
We're here at Arashiyama Bamboo Forest. I'm just taking a walk. Papunta dun sa mga Torii Gates kasi hindi na kami pupuntang Fushimi Inari. Kasi grabe ang weather. So I don't think kaya kong i-take yung hike kasi may hika ako. Baka hindi kayanin ng person ang ang hingal. We're currently walking to Toroko Saga Station. We'll be riding the Sagano sightseeing train. The last time I was here, hindi kasi namin yun nagawa. So, init! Aga pa, 8:30 pa lang, pero super init na. But still, thank you Lord for the good weather kesa nag-rain. Mas lalong di natin ma-enjoy. Yesterday actually sa oh, it's so cute.
また本日よりこのトロッコ列車大山列車によるお見送りがあります。よければ手を振ってエールをお願いします。それでは行ってきます。バイバイ。 You can opt for flying the car.
JR 今堀ステーション、レッツサイ。JR 今堀ステーション、バスステーション、レッツサイ。
Here at Kamioka. Wow, look at this view. The fields and the mountains. Oh, this is the Sun In Line. Waiting for our bus. Bus number 15. We're gonna go to Gyukatsu Kyoto Katsuyu for lunch. Ay, ito ang liwaliwanag ko. Para siyang Gyukatsu Motomura. See there?
Overpopulated.
Ito kami kakain. Waiting na lang kami mag-go. I'm excited and hungry. Kami lang ang tao kasi anong oras pa? 10:53 pa lang, masyado pang maaga for lunch. Pero gutom na kami kasi kanina ang kinain lang namin coffee tsaka pancake. So okay na rin to beat the crowd. And after nito, mag-dessert na lang tayo somewhere else. Somewhere else. The matcha house. Pwede, matcha house. Table for tea. I ordered this one and Dustin ordered a hot matcha.
Tirang ko lang.
We wanted to try this one. But currently, resting sila ang babies. Hello. We're going to have a picnic for our 27th birthday celebration. Small cabin. This is such a nice place. We selected picnic option, but they also have an in-store option, but their store is quite small. So we rented one straw mat and a small picnic table. You can also rent stools. They also have a large stool. So that's cute. We got our mats, our coffee, and our small table. Love! Buti na lang naka-sleeveless ako. Grabe yung init. Kaso medyo high neck siya. Mainit pa rin. Anyways. Having our picnic for my birthday. Namuntik na mag-away kasi hindi ako makapag-picture ng maayos. Ang taba-taba ko. Look at this coffee. We got the dark roast one. Dark roast coffee. And then they just give you creamers and syrups para ma-adjust mo sa taste mo if hindi mo siya gustong inumin ng on its own.
Kailangan ko.
Yung. Kasi ako marunong mag-picnic. First time ko lang din.
Pwede natin.
Hindi open kitchen.
Pwede mo.
Okay. Baka daw kailangan ko ilagay yung tablecloth. Oh, makes sense.
Wala na makapagay.
Sige na, tigil mo to. And then one more creamer. Sana.
근데 원래 돼지가 사람도 먹는다며. 돼지
I think it's a temple. We're gonna take some photos here. There's lots of gachapon there. Second picture for this trip. We're so hungry na.
しました。失礼します。ありがとう。
We're going back to Don Quixote.